Hello guys, welcome back to IT Scholar. Today we will learn to use the rows formula. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Let's start. As we have already discussed the row formula in our previous video, which was used to return the location or reference of the data we select. But in the rows formula, we will be able to know the number of rows used in our data. Let's have a look at this random data. It's the same from the row formula. This time, we will use the employees data by typing is equal to sign, rows, bracket open. We will select the data from AB to HI, B3, semicolon, B5, which means we have selected 3 rows. Let's see if we get the same result. Bracket over, enter. There you can see the answer is 3. Let's try again with another data. This time we select the rest of the data and see how many rows are consumed by this data. KL2XY is equal to sign, rows, bracket open, B6, semicolon, B9, bracket over, enter. The answer is 4, which means there are 4 rows this time in the selected data. I hope everything is clear. You may ask your questions regarding the topic in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care and subscribe the channel.